Once upon a time, in a beautiful green valley, there lived three brothers who just happened to be goats. They were known as the three Billy Goats Gruff, and they were as different could be. I'm Dr. Flip Herndon. I'm the superintendent of the Tukwila School District, and had the amazing opportunity to be here today at Thorndyke Elementary to visit two Voices of Tomorrow classrooms. They were great. The students were fantastic. The staff were fantastic. Had the opportunity to read a story to our students and to talk with parents and staff afterwards about how we've been able to support the program over the last 3 years, as well as the opportunity to continue this program and hopefully expand it. So it's a great opportunity for both families and the school district. It's been a really good partnership, and I just want to continue that. And I think Voices of Tomorrow is just an outstanding example of how a partnership between pre-K and school districts can happen.
I'm ZamZam Mohamed, the CEO and co-founder of Voices of Tomorrow. Today we had the privilege of having Dr. Philip here in Voices of Tomorrow's classroom at Thorndyke. This has been a long vision and a long conversation of 3 years, and we have been in Thorndyke Elementary School as a Voices of Tomorrow's preschool program for 3 years. And so we're very thrilled and humbled for this opportunity to have our program, the dual language Somali and English program in Thorndyke. This only happened because of the opportunity as well as the advocacy of our superintendent, and we really truly appreciate on behalf of the families and the children that we serve.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Herndon News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.